Why you select PMI Industry-Nickel alloy. Our products PMI Industry produces nickel alloy products including plates, tubes, rods, wires, fittings, etc. With steel grades such as Inconel 600, Inconel 718, Hastelloy C276, Incoloy 800, Nickel 200 201st. Our products comply with international standards, with high quality, and can meet the European market's requirements for the types and specifications of high-temperature nickel-based alloys. Product quality. The European market has very high requirements for the quality of high-temperature nickel-based alloys. PMI Industry adopts advanced production processes and quality control systems to ensure the quality and performance of its products. Our products have passed multiple certifications, such as ISO 9001, PED, AD 2000, etc., and can meet the European market's requirements for product quality. Competitive price. PMI Industry provides competitive prices, attracting many European customers. We adopt advanced production processes and management models to reduce production costs, thus providing preferential prices to the European market. In addition, we cooperate with many well-known steel manufacturers to obtain preferential raw material prices, providing even more favorable prices to the European market. Pre-sales and after-sales services. The European market has very high requirements for pre-sales and after-sales services. PMI Industry provides professional pre-sales and after-sales services, providing comprehensive support to the European market. We has a professional sales team and technical support team, which can provide timely and accurate technical support and solutions to the European customers. Production and delivery. The European market has strict requirements for delivery time. PMI Industry has advanced production equipment and efficient production processes, which can provide faster delivery times. We adopt strict production management and quality control systems to ensure the quality and accuracy of product delivery times. In addition, we can provide flexible delivery methods and times according to the needs of the European market, such as express delivery, sea transportation, air transportation, etc., to ensure that customer needs are met. Thanks. Please visit us for more www.pmisteel.com.